How to add a follow button on your Facebook profile. First thing that you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Facebook app. Once you open up your Facebook profile, just head over to the top right corner on the menu and then tap on your profile banner to head over to your profile section. Now simply go ahead and tap on the three lines to see if there is a add friend request or follow button on your profile. Tap on view as. And as you can see, I already have this follow button. So in order to get this, you will have this add friend option first. Now, in order to get the follow button, what you need to do is go back and then head over to settings and privacy down below. Tap on settings. And now from here, you could just go ahead and scroll down until you find this option, how people can find and contact you. And on the very first option, you can see who can send you friend requests. If this is set to everyone, there will be an add friend option. But if you set this to friends of friends and tap on save, now you will have a profile follow button. So let's just check. Head over to profile and then from here, tap on three lines and then view as. And now if I refresh, as you can see, there is a follow button instead of add friend. And that's how you add a follow button on your Facebook profile. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.